first graders. All right, we're going to do Unit 7, Week 3, Day 1. Are you ready? So we're going to practice our letters and our sounds. All right. So you're going to say them with me. You're going to say, what is this? I'm going to show you the picture. You're going to say the letter, the keyword, and the sound. Are you ready? And then we're going to practice it. A-N-G, fang, ang. Good job. Remember, this is called a glued sound. All right. Here's the next one. S, bugs, z. Very good. Remember, that's a suffix. That's a suffix. Okay, what is this one? Another glued sound. U-N-G, long, ung. Good job. Remember, it's a glued sound. It says ung. C-H, chin, ch. Diagram. Good job. U, up, There's our vowel, short vowel. H, hat, Q, U, queen, qua. Don't forget to make sure you're saying the sounds with us. All right, we're going to do the word of the day. Are you ready? I'm going to show you a word. This word is fangs. Just like on your screen, I have fangs. Now, what does it mean? What does it mean? That's right, it's like a bat fang. Fangs, they have two fangs on their teeth. They're really sharp. Okay. All right, I want to show you how to tap this word out. Are you ready? And then remember, glued sound, ang, and you have z, fang, ang, fangs. All right. Now, let's make a sentence for fangs. How can we make a sentence for fangs? All right, remember I was telling you guys about the bat. I was telling you about that. But before I do that, I'm going to start on this side of my board and I'm going to write the words fangs. And I'm going to remind you how to mark fangs. Okay? First of all, ang is a glued sound. So I'm going to put a box around the glued sound. I'm going to circle the suffix and scoop the base word. So fangs, fangs. All right, now let's make a sentence. Here we go. Remember, a sentence starts with a capital letter. All right, on the word fangs. How about the bat has two fangs? Okay, here we go. The capital T, the bat, at, the bat has two, say word two, T, W, O, two fangs. I put a period at the end. The bat has two fangs. Let's look and see what our trick words are. Do we have some trick words in here? The, and has, and two are all trick words. And remember, this one's a short vowel, so it's got a breathe above it. And then we have fangs. The fangs. This has a z sound to it. And this is a glued sound. So that word is fangs. Alright, good job, first graders. Now, I'm going to practice a couple more words with you. Okay, they won't be on your screen, but they're going to be my board, okay? You have to look right up here in the corner to see if you could see me. Okay, are you ready? Can you see me? Here we go. We're going to do things. Let's tap it out. Ready? Things. All right. So we had a digraph. We heard T, H, and then we had a glued sound, ing, which is I, N, G. G is a word line letter. And then we have the S because it's more than one. It's plural. All right. So we're going to scoop it. Things. There's our glued sound. Remember, if you're tapping this out, when you tap it out, you go ing, things. All right, let's try one more. You ready? The next word is banks. Before I write it, let's tap it out together. Get your tappers ready. Banks. Bank, banks. Okay? So we have a B. And then we have a glued sound. We have ink. What was the glued sound for ink? What three letters? A, N, K. And then we have, so we have more than one, so we're putting an S. Okay, so banks. Okay, so this is a sound. Now, in banks, in the ink, the glued sound. Banks. All right. Here's the next one. Honks. Are you ready? Honks. Honks. Okay. So H. And I have the glued sound onk. So it says onk. O. N. K. And we have S. So we have S. So honk. All right. You scoop the base word. Honks. Honks. Now, I'm going to put a box around the glued sound because I know that when I tap this out, it'd go honks. Honks. All right, guys. I'm going to teach you guys something pretty cool. Are you ready? All right, we have two more glued sounds that I'm going to teach you. We have ink, which is I-N-K, and we have ing. All right, so I'm going to put them on my board, and I'm going to show you how we would mark these. All right, so I have ing, okay? I'm going to put this right here. I'm going to show you right here. I have ing. Now, if I add a k in front of it, is it going to be a C or a K? Because the word is king. It's a K. It's a K. So we're going to add a K. Ka. Ing. Ka. Ing. Now, if I wanted to change this, I could change the k sound. What else could I put? Could I change it to a What's that new word? Ing. Ring. Good job. All right, what if I change it to this? To a ing, bing. All right. Now I'm going to show you the next glued sound. Okay. Erase that. We have, this is ink, I-N-K, ink. All right. When we do ink, I'm going to make the word rink, rink. So what sound do I need in front of ink to make a rink? That's right, I need the R sound. I need the R. I need R, so ink, rink. All right, when you tap this out, it looks like this. Ink, rink. Now, let's try a new one. What if I put an M? So now I have ink, mink. Ink. Mink. All right, good job, first graders. Now I want to do something else. I want to show you guys something else. What if I do it like this? I want to make it plural. I want to make it plural. So I had it singular, okay, when I had king, and I want to make it plural. So now I need to add a what to it? An S. Good job. I'm going to add an S. So we have kings, kings. We have kings. All right. Now, on the next one, we have ink. So my ink. And I'm going to add a the R, So I have ink, rink. And now I'm going to make it plural, so I'm going to add a S. So I'm going to add an S. So now I have inks, rinks. All right. What's the S at the end of the word called again? That's right, it's called a suffix. Okay, so these are glued sounds, and we add the S at the end. It's called a suffix. All right. Today sometime you guys could practice writing 3 of the words, okay? I'm going to put on your next slide. I'm going to put on some words, and I want you guys to read those words to me, okay? So after you watch the video, on the next page over there, on the new page, remember to make sure that you read these words to me. Okay.